This is room 2537 in the Grand Tower at downtown Grand Las Vegas. And this is the standard deluxe room, which is their sort of basic room. You have deluxe and premium, and then obviously the suites above that. And it's yeah, very clean. It's on a par really with the sort of rooms at the Cal, although obviously the Cal are slightly newer in terms of renovation. But the bathrooms are pretty much identical. The only thing I would say is I think some of the furniture is a bit IKEA, if you know what I mean. Particularly the drawers over here, I think they just look like an IKEA unit to me. But the rooms, the bed is comfortable enough. Not that keen on the green colour of it, but I did try and get an upgrade to a premium room, which is sort of a red decor. Suzanne and I, in August 2016, stayed in a city suite. So I've got a video of that, if you want to look back in my catalogue of videos. But the view's pretty nice. You get a good view of the mountains in the morning. El Cortez over there to the right. And the good thing is I got this very cheap via lastminute.com, but I've obviously been playing since I've been here, and I've now got all of my resort fees comped and a casino host for future visits. So hopefully I'll get a premium room next time. Actually, I do quite like the mirror. It's quite a nice feature. Anyway, that's a deluxe room at the Downtown Grand. I would say probably if you can upgrade to the premium rooms, which isn't a lot extra, I would definitely recommend that. Speak to you soon.